Hello, hi, good afternoon everyone. I am Chef Pasha and today we are doing the other session of Amul, the taste of India. And today I'm going to show the recipe which was easily made of the sweet with the paneer. Okay, I'm again Chef Pasha from the SRM Institute of IIT. Okay, SRM Hotel Management Institution. And we are announcing, we are serving we are giving the good quality and training hospitality quality. We are giving the good hospitality and training education in the institutions, and we are placing almost like so many students in the training, and we are giving the best training and best placements to the students. Okay, now the today's dish is like paneer rolls in rabdi. That means we have prepared the paneer rolls with the paneer, powdered sugar and milk powder. Okay, and we will prepare the rabdi with the Amul milk, sugar, granulated sugar, koya and little bit of ilachi flavor for the Indian flavor. Okay, and we'll add the saffron milk for the flavor and the color. Okay, now we will prepare the rabdi and we'll keep it aside, let it be cool, then we'll start with the platings. When you are preparing the rabdi, you have to boil the milk. While you are boiling the milk, make sure your flame will be on the medium flame. Otherwise, it was going to stick it. And when you are preparing the rabdi, you have to continuously stir the milk with the rubber spatula. Use the rubber spatula, the best. Otherwise, you can use any other wooden ladles while you are using your non-stick pans. We will get this milk to boil. While this milk was boiling, what we will do? We will add granulated sugar. Why we use the granulated sugar means, if you use the granulated sugar, it will caramelize and it will give the nice color. It will give the nice color while the sugar is caramelizing in the okay. If you didn't stir the milk while you're doing the rabdi, it will stick down and it will release the brown marks. The sides. And one more thing, when you are doing the rabdi, you have to keep scraping on the sides, because what is there is koya. It will make your rabdi more tastier. Okay. Can I have wooden ladle, please? Thank you, sir. And we'll add some milk powder This is the Amul milk powder we are using it. Once you add the milk powder, it will become thick, and we use the khoya also to become a thicker. Here we add a khoya. What we will do, we shouldn't add the khoya directly to the milk. What will happen if you add the khoya directly to the milk? There is a chances to get the curdle. Okay, that's why we will add little bit milk to the khoya, and we will dilute the khoya into the milk. Then we will add it to the rabdi. Taking the khoya, add some milk to it. Don't forget to stir the milk. We have to mix the khoya with the milk like this. Nicely dilute the khoya in the milk like this. Once it was diluted, you can add to the rabdi. And we will add some saffron milk. I boiled the milk and added the saffron to it, and it will give a nice taste, flavor and the color to your rabdi. Let it boil the rabdi. Let it become a little bit thicker. Meanwhile, what we will do, we will, for doing this paneer rolls, we have to mash the paneer with our hand. How we will knead the dough. Okay, we have to mash the paneer with the milk powder, powder sugar, and the paneer. Okay, for doing that, I will wear the gloves. This one is a very easy recipe. Anyone can make it in the home. Okay, only the two ingredients what they want to get it is like khoya and the milk powder. Remaining everything is available in the home. Okay. Take paneer and start mash it and start knead the paneer with your hand. Okay. Don't use any fork or anything. If you mash with your hand, you can get it easily. And meanwhile, don't forget to mix your rabdi. You can see the color of rabdi. When we add the saffron itself, it turns light yellow color. And here we are mixing the paneer. Okay. Nicely knead the paneer for 5 to 10 minutes. If you didn't knead it, what will happen? You will get that hard texture when you are preparing it. This is hardly like 10 to 20 minutes recipe. You can prepare it in the morning and you can keep it in refrigerator, you can have it. Okay, the people who are having like me, I like sweets a lot. The people are like me, every day once they have finished their lunch and dinner, they will have the sweet. For those people, it will be so easy and so tasty. See how nice the paneer is now, smooth. Okay. When you are using the preparing this paneer rolls,
They are asking what is this? What do you
paneer.
are
This one is the paneer rolls in the rabdi sauce. Okay. When you preparing this paneer rolls, you have to use the fresh paneer. Okay. Then only you will get the nice smooth texture.
Please repeat. What is it now?
This one is the paneer rolls in the rabdi sauce. This one is the paneer. We didn't add it anything. This one is the paneer. We will add the Amul milk powder to it. And we will add the powdered sugar. This one is the powdered sugar.
Okay. You can.
We will add the powdered sugar to it.
Sir,
Mix it.
sir, ನಿಚಾ ಕೊಡುಂಗ ನಿಚಾ ಕೊಡು. ವಿಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
And knead it nicely. You can see here our rabdi is getting boiled.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಡ.
Check the taste. I added a little sugar because we already added the sugar in the rabdi and as well as in the paneer. Okay. Check the sugar quantity. If you like sweet too much, you can add the more sugar to it. Okay. Once it become like a dough, you can here our rabdi is getting boiled.
Quantity of paneer.
Approx 250 grams. The quantity of paneer is approx 250 grams I use, and 3 to 4 teaspoons of milk powder and 3 to 4 teaspoons of the powdered sugar I used. Once you preparing this, make a center, and we are going to stuff this paneer rolls with the mixed nuts. I used pistachios, I used pistachios, I use almonds, kaju and walnuts. To more healthier, this one. And here I can switch off the rabdi. So rabdi is ready. I don't want too thick rabdi, okay? Because if it is too thick, what will happen? You cannot feel the moistureness in the thing.
Apart from sugar, what else you can add in paneer?
That is substitute to the sugar. If it is substitute to the sugar, you can nothing like for sweetness only we are adding the sugar. If you don't want to completely sweetness, you cannot add jaggery to it. If you add the jaggery, it will become too like it will melt. You cannot make it a rolls. Okay. If you use enough the sugar in the milk powder, that will be enough. You don't need to add the sugar. For the sweetness only, I added the sugar. You can make however it's the shapes you want. Today I am making this cylindrical shapes and rolls also.
Paneer made with buffalo milk or cow's milk, which will
Cow
be good?
milk. Cow milk. Paneer prepared with the cow milk will be the good and good for the health also.
What ingredients you have pitted for rabdi?
Rabdi, we use the milk, fresh milk, and I use little bit of koya. This one is the koya. We use little bit of koya and granulated sugar and ilachi powder. I have to add the ilachi powder and little bit of milk powder for the extra taste.
Some people want in Hindi.
तो हिंदी में चाहिए तो थोड़ा मुश्किल है बट आई विल ट्राई इट ओके लाइक रबड़ी में मैं जो फ्रेश दूध यूज़ किया फ्रेश दूध बॉयल होने के टाइम पे थोड़ा खोया डाल दिया उसके बाद मिल्क पाउडर एंड द ग्रैन्युलेटेड शुगर एंड द इलायची पाउडर ठीक है ग्रैन्युलेटेड शुगर वाई यू यूज़ द ग्रैन्युलेटेड शुगर मीन्स इट विल कैरमलाइज
Hindi.
हाँ ये कैरमलाइज होता है और अच्छा कलर देता है इसका उसका बाद ये पनीर में कम से कम लाइक 250 ग्राम्स पनीर लिया इसका अच्छा से मैश किया हाथ से उसका बाद आई एडेड दिस अगेन मिल्क पाउडर एंड पाउडर शुगर ऐड किया इसमें अच्छे से नीट किया तो ऐसा डो बनाने तक सॉफ्ट डो होने के तक उसका बाद उसको थोड़े थोड़े रोल्स बना के इसमें थोड़ा लाइक मिक्सड नट्स स्टफिंग कर सकता है ठीक है और यू कैन स्टफ और यू शुड इफ़ यू डोंट वांट यू कैन नॉट यू डोंट नीड टू स्टफ ऑल्सो आपको चाहिए तो स्टफ कर सकते हैं नहीं तो डायरेक्टली ऐसा रोल्स जैसा बना सकता है थोड़ा सा छोटा रोल्स बना के थोड़ा सा ये डाल के
Can we use milk made in rabdi?
Yes, you can use milk made in the rabdi. It will become more thicker faster. But always use the start it, sir.
Ah. From where you stop now?
No, the same. We are doing the paneer rolls.
Focus sir.
Okay, guys. Here we finish our paneer rolls, and here is our rabdi. Okay, you can serve the rabdi hot or cold. Okay, if you want a thick rabdi, you have to cool it down. Okay, you have to cool it down in the refrigerator, and then you can serve it. But today we are using a hot. Okay, just take the rabdis place it here. And nicely garnish with the green nuts.
Chef, can you tell me once again how to make that paneer balls?
Paneer, you take the fresh paneer, mash it nicely, otherwise you knead it with your hand. Okay, add the milk powder. It's almost like 250 to 300 grams of paneer, and add 4 teaspoons of milk powder and 4 teaspoons of powdered sugar to it.
What is the substitution? What is the substitution of milk powder?
Milk powder substitution, we don't have anything. We have to do the mashed paneer, mix with the sugar and boil it in the sugar syrup.
So
We
without
are adding the milk powder for the softness.
okay, without milk powder also we can make it.
Yeah, we can make it.
Chef, just repeat it once again in a short.
Paneer rolls with rabdi. Make an rabdi with an fresh milk. Okay, make an rabdi with the fresh milk and milk powder, granulated sugar, and khoya and the saffron. Okay, the saffron will give the extra flavor and color to your rabdi. And now the paneer rolls. Take a paneer, knead it nicely until it make it like a dough. Fresh paneer. We'll add the milk powder to it, and we'll add the sugar powder. We don't use granulated sugar because it will melt. It has to melt and it will take a long time. We'll add the powdered sugar to it. Don't use the icing sugar because icing sugar will consist of the corn flour. Okay. Don't use icing sugar. Make a powdered sugar. Add the powdered sugar. Knead it nicely and this consistency. See, if you press it, it will be like a dough. Okay. This consistency, and stuff it with your dry nuts, chopped dry nuts. Okay, then make it as a rolls or cylindricals or balls, the shapes different of your plating. Okay, place the paneer roll and pour the rabdi on the top of it and garnish with again with the nuts. Okay, this one. If you want, you can do a saffron. If you want, you can put a saffron on top of your paneer rolls. Okay. And here, one more plating.
Chef, whether the paneer has to be cooked?
No, If you are using milk powder, you no need to cook the paneer because paneer is already a cooked product. It's a dairy product. You no need to cook it again. If you don't using the milk powder, you have to make a dough of the paneer and you have to boil it in the sugar syrup. That way you can get the smoothness. Okay guys, this one we have it here.
They are asking for recapping. Can I use it? Okay.
Sure.
And this is our paneer rolls with the rabdi. You can serve like this or you can serve like this, completely depend upon your plating. Okay, thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Try it in your home or something.
Try it in your home. It's very easy. Okay, you can finish it in, now you can see I finished in just 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, try it in your home with all Amul products. We are using Amul products. It's the best quality products from India. Okay, thank you for giving the opportunity for the SRM IHM. Okay, and Amul. Thank you very much.
Guys, and also we upload the recipe in the comment section. Don't overdo it. Some of them ask for the recipes.
I will upload the recipe in the comment section. Please go through it.
Thank you very much for watching it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Thank you.